Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma Physics channel. Dear students, Vipinsharma Physics channel is going to launch physics classes exclusively for 11th and 12th and for junior sections 9th and 10th, and the classes will be on the system of per day learning fee system. Like, you will have one lecture and simply you have to pay 25 rupees per lecture including GST. After the lecture you will have to Google Pay or Paytm, whatever it is. So for details, WhatsApp 9814121996. And dear students, this is available for the limited students. Hope you will be one of the among the limited students batch. So don't forget to WhatsApp 9814121996. Thank you.